Hey guys, Joe here, 690 ADV. What's going on? Hey, just got home, just got something really cool. Had a package sitting on the front porch, kind of digging it. A company by the name of Kube. They're a knife manufacturer, and they wanted me to test out one of their folding pocket knives to see how it worked. Pretty excited. I love knives. Knives are great. They always go perfect with camping and doing, adventure stuff. And they're always good because you can just stick them in your pocket. So let's dig into this knife and see what it can do. Hey guys, Joe here, 690 ADV, 690ADV.com, 690 Gear, Kobe pocket knife, really a cool knife. We've had a chance to play with it. It's nice, it's kind of grippy, it's real wood, which is really kind of cool. I like the way it clicks in. It's very nice. I don't know if you can hear that. But only that, it's nice. Whenever you want to open it, it just feels nice. It's super, super, super smooth. The breaker on it to release the lock, it just wants to fall. And it's very, it is smooth. Sharp, yes. Very, very sharp. I'll tell you what, camping trip, whatever you're doing, moto adventure, you want to whittle wood, feather, cut. This is oak that I'm cutting into. Very little effort. It works well. It's super, super sharp. And for really a $25 knife, that's actually really, really good. It comes with a nice little strap that you could put a carabiner to if you wanted to. I don't know if I trust this 100%, but it's just not a bad knife. I've had a great time with it. I've got to play with it for the last week and a half. Very, very cool. It's pretty durable. I know that this is pine, but if you, in a pinch, if you had to, you could baton this very easily. Look how thick that blade is. It's a good H-nth thick steel. The blade is still super sharp. You can just, it's just cutting right through this oak twig like it's butter. Nothing but simple. Very easy to use. It fits in your pocket. Just right there. Very, very nice. You get it out in a half a second. It's great. I think this would be a great knife to put into your gear, to put in your tank bag or something like that, just to have as a spare for something that, like if you needed to cut some food or anything like that, to put it into your pack for like camping or anything like that. I don't think you can go wrong with this. I'm definitely going to give it a thumbs up. It's definitely going to be 690 approved on my end. Very, very cool knife. And like I said, if you watch this down in the description, you can definitely pick these knives up where you can get one. And very, very cool. And like I said, about 25 bucks. And you can't go wrong. It's real wood and stainless steel. I think it's a win-win-win. So like I said, Kobe knives, definitely 690 approved. The lock is very, very good, and it's pretty durable. Anyway, Kobe knives, if you want one, pick one up down in the description. Thanks for stopping in and checking out our 690 gear. This is definitely approved. It's perfect. It's light. It's sharp. I like it. You guys have a great day. 690 out.